Hey, this is Cordelia Blake. I work with companies and individuals to help them sell products on Amazon. And tonight I'm going to talk to you about how to sell bundles or bundles of products on Amazon and what has changed for 2021. It has definitely become a different game this year. And I'm going to go through the things you need to know to either launch or grow a bundle business on Amazon. So stay tuned. All right, so how to make a bundle, selling bundles on Amazon. I did want to do a little bit of a humble brag here and share with you some client testimonial where we helped our client specifically with bundling opportunities, optimizing their bundle listings, and brand registry. So please feel free to reach out to me and our company. We would be happy to help your company with this and help you grow. Now, if you want to do bundles on your own or just learn more about them, let's dive in. So what is a bundle? A bundle is really an Amazon term used to describe a group of different products that go together to make a single better product. In the real world, we call this a set or a kit. So a bundle is kind of an industry term. It's not really used in normal words. Bundles can be functional, where you put a bunch of things together that just help you get a bigger job done. So instead of selling people a spatula and a spoon, you put them together so that you have a kitchen set. Bundles can be giftable. A lot of sites, including Amazon, offer gift wrap, but it's both expensive and it's awkward. They come in those weird drawstring bags. So you can actually put a gift box as part of your presentation for your product. This can both make it a more attractive thing for customers to buy, and it can also help keep other people off your listing if you have a unique package and maybe a wholesale product. Bundles can be sourced via arbitrage. Arbitrage is where you buy things in a retail store and resell them. This is a bundle off Amazon that was sourced from a retail store. Bundles can be sourced via wholesale. Sometimes you will get multiple products from the same company, or maybe you will wholesale products from different companies and put them together to make a customer's life better. And bundles can also be sourced via private label, where you produce or manufacture products just for you. And a set of products is a great way to private label, especially because you can frequently make more than one bundle out of the same set of things that you ordered. And then the blend. This is where you blend different sourcing methods. So maybe you source the pots and the pot holders via wholesale, and then the spoon you have custom manufactured so that you have a beautiful product that people will really like. And then you also have something which nobody can really copy. So branding your products is helpful to keep other people off. But the easiest way to keep people off your listing is to make sure they cannot sell what you can sell or cannot easily sell it. Just make sure that every component that you add to the bundle actually adds value to the bundle for the customer. Don't just throw things in there to keep other people off your listing. So what is new and improved for 2021? The big thing is that it's really time for you to start selling bundles under your own business's brand and register it. When creating a product, you're going to do it under your brand. You're going to use branded packaging. And I'm going to show you how to do this in a minute. No stickers. You have to actually order packages with printing on it. You can use your brand to apply for a GTIN exemption, meaning you do not need UPC codes for your bundles. If you do not already have a trademark, you can use Amazon's IP Accelerator program to register your trademark. You're still working with an attorney. It's an attorney that has partnered with Amazon. The nice thing about the IP Accelerator is that it gets you into the brand registry as soon as you apply for your trademark. If you go through another lawyer, not through the IP Accelerator, you cannot get into brand registry until you already have your trademark in hand. So getting a trademark can take like 3 months to a year, depending on really the whimsy of the USPTO. So this way you can get them right when you apply instead of waiting until you're accepted. And then you go ahead and register with the brand registry, and then you can have like a brand store. You have your own branded products, and they can be bundles. Yay! Yay. It's a great way to build out a product line, grow your business, and it's still very affordable. There we go. So starting bundles, you're going to want to start your bundles with a wholesale or private label. You can do arbitrage bundles, but I really recommend starting, especially if you're going to go through like brand registry and a lawyer and stuff like that, that you just have wholesale products to start with. And you're going to want to start with branded packaging. I've got 2 recommendations for you for branded packaging. One of them is Sticker Mule. They make stickers, don't make stickers, use their poly mailers as bundle packaging. The nice thing about the poly mailers is they come in all different sizes. So you can get kind of a bigger size and put different amounts of products inside of it if you sell several different bundles. And they're a little pricey, but you can also place a smaller order. So let's say that you're just kind of packaging to get yourself through the brand registry process. You maybe only want to order 100 units. You don't have to place a huge order with Sticker Mule. And brandable box is also extremely affordable. They just put your logo on in one color, but it is your branded logo and is printed. The drawback of brandable box is, of course, their boxes, which not everybody wants to use boxes, but they only have the boxes that they have. So they have one of the ways they keep it affordable is they only have so many choices. So if you don't want those sizes, you're kind of out of luck. But if you do want those sizes, you're in luck, and they do allow for smaller orders, or you can save money and order, per unit and order a larger order. So I don't have a relationship with either of those companies. We've just used them and had our clients use them and had students use them, and they've gone well. So bundles are just a great way to raise your average sales price, to own your listing with a relatively low investment, to add value to your customer, and to make products that are hard for others to replicate. If you would like to work with me or my team, please follow up. Here's all my information we work on: Amazon strategy, listing writing, account setup and management, bundle creation, and brand registry. This is one of our happy clients. So please like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. I would love to hear your comments about how your bundle journey is going or what questions you may have about selling on Amazon. And thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.